Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best aquarium brush is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining a pristine and healthy aquatic environment for your beloved fish and plants, ensuring crystal clear water and preventing the unsightly buildup of algae that can detract from the beauty of your underwater world and potentially harm its inhabitants. Number 5. LUIGI'S Fish Tank Cleaner. Tired of messy water changes? Our cleaner features a one-way valve for improved suction, allowing you to change up to 30 liters in just 5 minutes. Easily filter through the gravel to remove uneaten food, waste, and toxins. It helps maintain a clean and healthy environment for your aquatic pets. Designed with a built-in filter, it protects small fish and invertebrates from being accidentally sucked up. Your aquatic friends stay safe during cleaning. Get the job done effectively without breaking the bank. This robust product offers the performance of expensive siphons at a much lower cost. No need for manual priming. The convenient hand pump allows you to start cleaning immediately. Enjoy quick, effortless water changes and a sparkling clean tank. This versatile tool is ideal for both gravel and sand substrates. It efficiently removes debris, ensuring a clean habitat for your turtles or fish. What we like. This cleaner offers effortless water changes with its convenient hand pump. It filters through gravel to remove waste and has a built-in filter to protect small aquatic life. If you're looking for a quick and safe way to perform regular water changes without much fuss, this is a great option. What people say. This thing is so fast and simple that it completely replaced the old method. I just set up a drain bucket and slurp all the water and goo, in roughly half the time. Compared to any other manual vacuums, this one by far is the best. Smooth flow, easy to start, doesn't suck up the sand but does get all the debris and waste and does it quickly. It's great for cleaning out the rocks and around my plants and stuff. Number 4. SLSON Aquarium Algae Scraper Long Handle Brush Cleaner. This aquarium brush is made of high-quality sponge. It quickly and effectively removes algae, ensuring a clean environment for your fish. The premium plastic handle is sturdy and durable. Its non-slip surface makes the cleaning process much easier. With a hole at the end of the handle, it's convenient to hang and store. This helps keep the brush head dry for longer use. This algae scraper brush is perfect for glass fish tanks. It's a great assistant tool for maintaining your aquariums. Please rinse the brush pad with tap water before and after each use. Keep the brush head clean and dry before storing it. While excellent for glass tanks, please note that this tool is not suitable for acrylic or plastic fish tanks. What we like. This brush features a high-quality sponge for effective algae removal and a long, non-slip handle for easy grip. It's designed for glass tanks only. If you have a standard glass aquarium and need a reliable tool for scrubbing algae, this will make your cleaning work much easier. What people say. The brush feels strong and solid in your hand, not flimsy or bendy. It definitely looked like it could stand up to the job. Its durability really stands out. After 3 months of use, it hasn't shown any signs of wear, and it still performs great. Cleans the aquarium walls effectively and easily. Good functionality. Long handle makes it easy to use. Thickness is appreciated to hold water and dirt. Number 3. HYGGER Carbon Fiber 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tool Kit. Introducing the HYGGER Carbon Fiber 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tool Kit. This versatile set is designed to make maintaining your aquarium effortless. Its telescopic handle extends to reach every corner of your tank. Say goodbye to awkward stretching and hello to comfortable cleaning. This kit includes an algae scraper, scrubber pad, and sponge, along with a fish tank brush. You'll have the right tool for any cleaning task. Whether you have a saltwater or freshwater aquarium, this tool kit is perfect for keeping it pristine. It's designed for both types of environments. Crafted with durable carbon fiber, it's built to last. Enjoy a reliable and effective cleaning experience for your beloved fish tank. Tackle stubborn algae with ease using the specialized scraper and scrubber pads. Keep your tank's glass crystal clear with minimal effort. What we like. This comprehensive cleaning kit offers versatility with its multiple attachments, including an algae scraper, scrubber, pad, and sponge. Its carbon fiber construction and telescopic handle provide durability and reach. If you want a single solution for various aquarium cleaning tasks, this multi-tool kit is ideal. What people say. The brush is very effective at cleaning algae from glass tanks. It has a long handle that reaches the bottom of deep aquariums. The bristles are firm enough to scrub stubborn algae but soft enough not to scratch the glass. Number 2. SEAOURA 2-in-1 Aquarium Magnetic Cleaner with Thermometer. Keep a close eye on your aquatic environment with precise temperature monitoring. Easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius to suit your preference, ensuring optimal conditions for your fish. This tool is specifically crafted for glass aquariums up to 30 gallons. Its strong magnetic hold ensures it stays put, making maintenance a breeze for tanks with glass less than half an inch thick. Experience a secure clean with its robust magnetic force. It clings firmly to the glass, so you don't have to worry about it getting lost or floating away during use. Achieve a spotless aquarium effortlessly. The powerful magnetism allows for a thorough clean of both the inside and outside surfaces of your glass tank. Its compact and user-friendly design makes cleaning simple. It floats, so it won't disturb your aquatic life and takes up minimal space, perfect for any aquarium owner. Please note, this cleaner is optimized for glass aquariums. It is not suitable for acrylic or plastic tank surfaces. What we like. This magnetic cleaner is designed for glass tanks and includes a digital thermometer for accurate temperature monitoring. Its strong magnetic adhesion allows for cleaning both inside and outside the glass simultaneously. If you have a smaller glass tank, 1 to 30 gallons, and appreciate the convenience of a floating cleaner with temperature tracking, this is a smart choice. What people say. Magnetic thermometer and glass cleaner. Works well for my axolotl tank. It cleans well. Strong magnet means you can clean the inside glass effortlessly. Temperature seems to be accurate too. Number 1. Evergreen Pet Supplies Aquarium Glass Cleaner Sponge, 4-pack. Introducing the Evergreen Pet Supplies Aquarium Glass Cleaner Sponge. Keep your aquarium's glass walls sparkling clean with our specially designed cleaning tools. Our aquarium sponge is tough on stubborn grime but gentle on glass, ensuring a scratch-free clean every time. Say goodbye to worries and hello to a spotless tank. Built to last, each cleaning sponge in this 4-pack can handle multiple cleaning sessions without falling apart. Enjoy the durability and reliability for a pristine tank. Get a thorough clean with our aquarium cleaning sponge, designed for ultimate control and effectiveness. Tackle every corner with ease using this handheld tool. Show some love for American manufacturing with our aquarium cleaning supplies, proudly made in the USA. With 4 cleaning pads in each pack, you're always ready for your next cleaning adventure. What we like. These aquarium sponges are designed to be tough on grime but gentle on glass, ensuring a scratch-free clean. Their ergonomic, handheld design offers excellent control for reaching every corner. If you prefer a simple, effective, and non-scratch cleaning method for your glass tank and want multiple pads on hand, this pack is perfect for you. What people say. The brush has a long handle that reaches the bottom of the tank. It effectively scrubs algae off the glass without scratching. The bristles are firm yet flexible, getting into corners easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.